Hey, my friend, how are you doing today? Troy Robison here with a super duper awesome video. I got my little helper Gracie here, and we're going to talk about Go Ringless Extreme on steroids. Did you hear me? Go Ringless Extreme on steroids. It's called Go Ringless SMS. Now look, thanks number one for watching this video. Number two, if you found me, it's for a reason. Number three, this is a real business that can make you real money if you are really interested in doing something on the side. I started this as a part-time little thing, and I started doing a few more hours of it, and it started off with Go Ringless, and then it went Go Ringless Extreme, and now it's Go Ringless SMS with the SMS auto reply platform built in, and it is flipping awesome. So what I'm going to show you today is the back office of Go Ringless SMS. I'm going to walk you through what this is and how you can be popping off with these $500 payments directly into your PayPal account. Today I'm not going to show my PayPal account because I got a good new computer and I don't have the software to block out the information, the data that people could actually take. Unfortunately, everybody, I'm kind of a little naive and I like to show a little too much information, and it's bit me a couple times because there's obviously people out there that are not so nice and they like to steal your data and information. So got that out of the way. Okay, look, I'm a stay-at-home dad. I'm single. I got me, Gracie, Bug, and my other kids, and I had to decide a long time ago if I wanted that freedom, right? Did you want the job, just over broke, or jail operating business, or do you want to do something that can potentially become a full-time business and make you a lot of money? I'm going to give you some numbers real quick, okay? There's 18.3 million networkers in the U.S. alone, and there's 31 million business owners. We're looking at close to 50 million people that need a way to reach and contact existing customers and potential customers and new prospects and customers. And this platform, if you use it as it's built, it will do all of that for you. I simply use this platform to promote and share with the millions of people through video and all of my other marketing that I use this opportunity that they can build any business they want, and also they can build Go Ringless SMS and bring in those $500 payments. So let's talk a little bit about Go Ringless SMS and exactly what it is. It is a ringless voicemail platform. Actually, let me pull up my website. NextLevelBizOp.com. I'm going to try to make this video short, guys, but I love sharing stuff and I get into a lot of talking. This is my capture page I built, all right? And we're going to go, and I always encourage everyone to get a capture page and capture the data of the people that are interested, because if they don't buy now, they might buy later, and you always have to collect the data to have potential people to talk to all the time. I've got 2,700 people over the past couple of years that I talk to, I send emails out to. It's all about timing. It might not be now, but eventually it could happen. And I get a lot of sales off of people that looked at the opportunity 2-3 months ago, even a year ago. Here's our duplicated website. There's my name, Troy Robison. Go Ringless SMS, leads, ringless voicemail, SMS auto reply. I'm going to show you how awesome this is, okay? You get your own number. So look right here. You try it free. If you're watching this video right now on YouTube or Facebook or wherever it is, I want you to text the word GO to 904-295-1644. I want you to see what happens. Let me tell you what it does. When you market this platform and you decide to use the SMS like I do, and I'm going to show you some things, some of the ways I do it in a minute. Also, you get all of my free training. I'm setting up a training website with videos on it. All of my ad copy that I use, and postcards and flyers that I use to sell and promote Go Ringless SMS when you join me. And I'll give you a couple 100,000 leads to get you rock and rolling. But anyways, let me get back to what I'm talking about. When you text the word GO, when you text the word GO to that number, everybody gets their own personalized number that comes with this platform. It sends an auto reply, and that auto reply will send them, the prospect, to this website link. So when I'm running ads on Facebook or Let's see, I use drop cards that look like this, $100 bills. You fold them over, you put them in gas stations and everywhere. And they text, go to that number, boom. On their phone, it pops up with this website. And they scroll down, and they see how does GRS work? And it tells you that you get your own number, and that it has an auto reply system that's super powerful. And I'm going to show you the back office so you can understand how inexpensive it is to use the SMS side. And it just goes through and it tells you exactly what Ringo's voicemail is and how is it working. And you got this GRS video. I'm going to show them that in a second, baby. And then you get to this point where it shows you what you get with this platform. You include 7 lead generation software tools, right? It's compliant, FCC, FTPC, TCPA. You get what does it do? A DNS scrubber built in, so when you upload numbers, it takes out all the do not call numbers. We have a super awesome PayPal 6-month financing. A lot of people use that option where they get approved, and it's 6 months, same as cash. Super powerful. You can sell 60 of these things by then. There's a lot you can do. Your replicated website, you make a sale at $500 at every sale you make after your first one-up sale that qualifies you from number 2 to infinity that you sell. That is powerful, and I'll go over that on another video. That'd take me 10 minutes all by itself. But let me get going. When you get to my site, the link will be below this video. I want you to listen to the type of message you can send out, the type of sizzle call you can use if you want an 800 link number or you got an extra cell phone. Everybody's got 2 or 3 of these. I use one just to do texting and to have messages going to when I do promoting or solo ads or whatever, right? And it just goes through, and it's got all these testimonies here. And at the bottom, you'll see PayPal financing. Boom, you apply 30 seconds, and you get it rocking and rolling. Look at this part right here. This is what I was going to show you in the back office. It's the least expensive. It's as low as 2.5 cents for the Ringo's voice drops, for the drops that actually connect, not just ones that hang up or go to a number that doesn't exist. The ones that connect, okay, so you don't waste money. And look at this, $7.50 is what it cost me to get 1,000 credits for SMS. It takes 2 credits for someone to text that number and for that person to receive and for you to get the data in your back office as a lead. So 1,000 gives you 500 prospects for $7.50. Think of all the ads you can run on Craigslist, Facebook, and the other places where you can run ads all day long for free, basically, or $5. And I show you all of that. I give you all my training, right? And you get to rock and roll with that, and you're spending next to no money to make $500 a pop, right? So that's the duplicated website that we all get, all right? Here is the back office of Go Ringless SMS. It shows you your sponsor. Mine's Paul Farman, the creator of the software. You download the software here. Your SMS replicated website, your hyperlink is right here. I put a domain name on it. You don't have to, but certain marketing or maybe cards, you can do it. Here is your specific phone number they give you directly for your site that you use your SMS platform with. And look, maybe you do Go Ringless for 2 months as a funded proposal and you sell 20 of them. And you put $8,000 or $10,000 in your pocket and you say, you know what, I want to do my primary business. Well, perfect. You can still use the SMS platform. You don't have to change any of your postcards or anything with your information on them. Why? Because right here, you can go and you can change this Google shortener link to your primary business. So everything else, the number and everything else stays the same. So now you're promoting, when they text go to your number, guess where it's going? Now to your primary business. And you do that for a couple of months and you build. And then you go back to a second business or GRS, whatever you want to do. I'm telling you, it's powerful. When someone texts go, they get your website information. You get their lead as a cell phone number. Here's the leads. Come in. Please be honest as I go through this and don't steal my data from these people. All right? That's all the phone numbers that have come in from me doing those campaigns. I don't know how many there is. There's probably 50 or so. And here's all the people that have joined, and some have paid and some are in the process of looking, right? The blue is what you want. That's confirmed. They're paid. And Andrew came in last week, and today we're working on someone that's up coming in under him. So that's a one-up, qualifies him. It's another $500 for me. When they come in like that, see right here, admin fee paid. This person's already paid admin fee. Now they're getting ready to pay the second fee. When they do that, I'll hit confirm. They are now my front line. I work with them. I get them set up. Boom. I help them promote so I get another $500. One up over and over again. It never stops. That's powerful all by itself. So you can see just in the past 2.5 months, I've made 11 or 12 sales, right? And then all of last year, here's my Go Ringless Extreme. Look at this. All right. But before they added the SMS platform section, this is, bring a drink, honey. This is Go Ringless Extreme. I mean, look at the blues on this. And the ones that have joined to haven't paid, they're still looking. These are still good, solid, warm leads. Yeah, I go through here all day long. Here's a 1-up. Here's a 1-up. Here's a 1-up that helped and got another 1-up. That's what, 4, 8, 1,200? I did that was in 3 days right there. That was exciting. And y'all know, just make one. Give me some water. That'll be fine. 1-up, 1-up. Keeps rolling and rocking and rolling. Look at it. 1-up, 1-up, 1-up. So this is the back office of what I did. I don't know how much it was exactly. It was probably close to 20K last year with Go Ringless Extreme. And this is just one of my businesses, guys. So I teach you when you join me. I'm not one of the guys online. I got my phone number down there that goes directly to my cell. You've got my websites, my link, everything about me you can find. I don't hide. You call me, I talk to you. Not just for 2 days. If you need help next month, I help you. I give you a file that has all of the ad copy I use for texting, all the ad copy I use for Facebook groups, and for Craigslist. Okay? I give you all of that stuff. I give you leads, 100,000 to help you get going. I don't sell you that. I don't sell you. It doesn't cost you to talk to me every time. Be careful. In this business, any business that you join, do your research first. Make sure that you're joining with a person that you can connect with, that gives you the real number, that is accessible, because there's a lot of people, most of them won't help you out in any business after you join. All they want is that one time up front, and it's it. That's my opinion. It's from experience, so I'm just letting you know. So I want to do this short video to tell you guys, if you found this video, you found it for a reason. And the reason is you need an extra couple thousand a month. That's 4 sales. Can you do it 1 a week? I do it. Am I special? No. Do I have a special key? No. But what I do is I work a couple hours a week at this, and I do promoting in a few different platforms. And I show you all that. I'm transparent. I give you everything. I let you look in my back office. I show you how I get all these leads. I show you how I make all these sales, 500, 500, 500, 500. I'm just that guy. So if you want to connect with me, you can call me and text me. My number will be below. I want you to click on the link below. I want you to go to the site, rewind, and go to text go to 904-295-1644. Test it out and imagine your website of your primary business or Go Ringless SMS being there, and then using all the advertising and the solo ads and all the things that I'm updating on my training website and getting ready to give to all my people on my team to help them rock and roll. Why? Because if I help them make money, then I continue to be successful, and as a group and as a team, you can do it. This is an affiliate program. This is not MLM, okay? So all you MLM scared people, don't worry about it. MLM is good. I made a lot, 7 figures in MLM. It's not my favorite thing to do anymore. I can't travel and everything like I used to, but, you know, I still have a couple primary businesses in the MLM arena. Why? Because it's residual income, and I like having residual income coming in. So if you don't have a residual income, you need to talk to me. If you have too much month at the end of the money, you need to talk to me. So give me a text, click on the link below, and let me help you make a few sales a month and get some breathing room so that you have options to do something else in the future, okay? So God bless you. I hope this helped you out. I'm going to start doing videos every day. I said that at the beginning of the year, and I got sidetracked and this and that, and all. Life happens. But guess what? I'm back, and I'm back bigger and stronger than ever, and I'm going to help you be successful at what you want to do. So God bless you, and I hope this helps you out, and I look forward to hearing from you. Talk to you soon. Peace.